Alright, so today I'll be answering this question on binomial expansion, finding the term independent of x, or finding the constant term. So the question says, write down the constant term in the expansion of 2x squared plus 1 over 2x power 6. So in this expansion, they want us to find the term that does not have x, the constant term, the one that's independent of x. Sorry. So they want us to find the term independent of x. So our solution. So now we have our expansion, which is 2x squared plus 1 over 2x power 6. So now you'll say, using n r a n minus r b r. Have you seen? So we are going to use this using n r a power n minus r b power r, where n is our power, which is 6. N is 6. Our a, this a is our first term here. This part, the first part, a is equals to x squared, and b is equals to 1 over 2x, and our r is equals to question mark. We don't know our r, right? So just master whatever I'll be doing. That's how you find the term independent of x. Now, if you see, we don't know what our r is, so we are going to try and find r, right, using this. So now our n is what? 6. And then our r we don't know. And then our a is what? Our a is this one, 2x squared. 2x squared power. Our n is what? Our n is 6 minus our r, we don't know. And then what's our b? Our b is 1 over 2x power. What's our r? R, we don't know. So when you reach this step, our x shouldn't be the denominator. Our x is supposed to be the numerator. So we are going to make this x the numerator. So this will be 6r. Then this will be 2x power 2. And then when you take this x on top, it will be 1x power negative 1 over 2 power r. Is this right? So equals n. So that's what you do. So you make, in any question, x always has to be on the numerator. So now this is supposed to be 6 minus r. So now let's try and multiply these powers with the ones inside, and this power with the ones inside there. So this will be 6r, and then this is the same as 2 power 6 minus r x. 2 times 6 is what? 2 times 6 is 12 minus 2 times r is 2r, the same as this. And then this will just be x power negative r, so over 2, right? This is 1. You know that 1 power any number is 1, right? Am I saying the correct thing? So this is the same as this, eh? Or let me just write the Okay, this is correct. So this is 1 power r, and we know that 1 power any number is still 1, eh? So we just write it as 1. So now we are going to separate the numbers, eh? So this is 6r, and then we'll separate this one. This will be 2, 6 minus r, then this will be x. We are separating these two, and we also separate this one, x. 12 minus 2r. When we multiply this and this, it will still give us this. And we're also going to separate this one. So it will be 1 over 2 power r. So the r is also for the 2 here. And then x power negative r. This is what we've written. Now we know that we have two x's here, right? So you know that same bases, when multiplying same bases, we add the powers. So let me just get x power 12 minus 2r multiplied by x power negative r. Always when you reach this part, equate. So we were only, the reason why we were separating this was for us to come up with these x's. I wanted to multiply the x's alone. So for now you can forget about this and this. Let's focus on the x's. Now here, when multiplying the x's, always equate them to x power 0. Always equate them to x power 0. When we add the powers, this will be x power, what's this, x power 12 minus 3r is equal to x power 0. You know that this and this x will cancel. So our 12 minus 3r will be equal to 0. So our 12 minus 3r is equals to 0. So 12 will be equal to 3r over 3 over 3. Our r will be equal to what? 4. So now we found the value of r. Now we can replace the r on our first part, So now we can put the r here, right? We can also put it here and here. So our expansion was like this. Our expansion was 6r. What else was there? 2x. Let me write it. Yeah, so this was our expansion, right? So now we found the value of r, so we can replace it. So this will be 6. Where is r? We put 4. We found the value of r. And this will be 2x power 2. And then 6 minus r, or 6 minus 4 is what? It's 2, right? Power 2. So this will be 1 over 2x power, what's our r? 4. Equals, so this will be, so there's actually a shortcut of expanding this. Have you seen this is a 6, right? And this is the 4. You know that this is the same as, so this is the same as 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial, and then 4 factorial, right? And then you do the further simplification, it will give you the answer. But there's actually a shortcut of how you can do this. So have you seen, this is a 6 and this is a 4. Just multiply this 6 4 times, so it will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 over, so I've multiplied it 4 times, 1 2 3 4, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, 4 times, and then this will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. You see, this 4 and this 4 will cancel, this and this will cancel. 2 into 6 is what? Is 3. 3 times 5 to give us 15 dot. So this power is for this one and this one, so it will be 2 power 2 and then x power 4, right? And then 1 power 4 is what? It's just 1. So this will be 1 over 2 power 4 is what? So this is 2 power 4. And then this is x power 4. Have you seen? The 4 is for both. Have you seen what we've done? So our answer, we found that it was 15 dot 2 power 2 dot x power 4 dot 1 over 2 power 4 dot x power 4. Have you seen? This x and this x will cancel. Have you seen? This x and this x have cancelled. And then this into this, it will be 2 power 2. So our answer will be 2 times 1, so that will be 15 over 2, 2 power 2 is what? 4. That's our answer. So this is a term that's independent of x. Now, maybe in case some of you are confused here, you are used to doing, I can prove that the answer here is 15 using the same procedure, the one that you know. So have you seen? This is the same as 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 is what? 2 factorial, 4 factorial, which is the same as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This and this will cancel, 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 cancel. 2 into 6 is what? 3. 3 times 5, the answer is 15. So it's basically the same thing. That's what I did here. It's basically the same thing. So that's how you find the term independent of x. So if you have any questions or there is somewhere where you're not clear, you feel free to inbox